That's the Predator E Ranger, guys. There we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, people them. So we're out here with the Predator E Ranger. Now this thing, yeah. This ain't like a go and steal somebody's phone with this bike thing. This is a go steal somebody. Fam, this thing is a look how wham it is. Now the guy said it was 32 kilograms, but it's a 750 rear-driven motor. I forgot to mention the battery is actually removable, so you don't have to bring up the whole 32 kilogram bike upstairs. You can literally just bring up the battery and charge that. We've got hydraulic disc brakes, both on the back, both on the front. We've got a nice little screen here, which is going to give you your range, it's going to give you your speed, and it's going to give you the distance that you've been traveling over the past couple of hijackings. Now, apart from that, we got 7 Shimano gears on there as well. We got some little tooting on there as well and everything like that, fam. Now, the only thing I've realized, even though it does have double suspension, is that it doesn't look like you can lift up the seat, fam. Even though it does feel really nice. Let me try to get on it myself. Okay. Yeah. This feels kind of calm. Yeah. It feels kind of, the balance feels good. You got a little throttle on this side as well. On this, it definitely feels well built together, fam. But it's not something you really want to be riding if it runs out of battery. And I'm not gonna lie, I only ride in max. So yeah, I feel like a real life test drive is what we're gonna have to do to actually know what's going on with this thing. But just in terms of looks, if you pull up to the bike park in this, you've won. You've completed the mission that day. No, this thing definitely looks wavy, fam. I love the fact that it's got a little kickstand there as well. Kick that down, slap it there, put that in the bike park, and hope that London don't teeth it.